Hey, what's up YouTube? Got a quick unboxing for you today. It's the Seagate FreeAgent GO 320 gig optical portable drive. So and this is USB 2.0. It's preloaded with software to automatically back up and sync files and folders, and optional dock accessories available. Reading that straight off the back of the box there. So the boxes took a bit of a battering in shipping, but it will test Seagate's post packaging, won't it? So I moved the camera in. I haven't got any of my editing software, so I won't be able to stop the film, start a new one while doing this sort of stuff. So there we go. In the camera. So as you can see, it's 320 gigabytes and is USB 2.0. Oh, and it comes with a 5-year limited warranty and is a fully recyclable package, because that's all anyone cares about when it comes to stuff these days, is it recyclable. Yeah. Put the drive to one side, do the accessories first. So here we've got a book on the limited warranty in many different languages. Here we've got a quick setup guide. So it's quite a simple one, if you can see that. Just plug it into a USB 2.0 port and you're done. Anything else? And obviously we've got our very small USB 2.0 connector. Very small actually. Gonna have to use an extension with this, I reckon. But there's the there's one end. There's the other end. Put that to one side, and here is the drive. So like I said, this is 320 gigs. It's got no sort of power button or anything, but you've got a little Seagate logo there, and a nice sort of matte black finish. On the back, you got your USB connector, and that pretty much sums it up. I'll plug it in and see how long it takes my computer to recognise it. So let's move you in a shot of my computer. There we go. So it should be able to see if there you go, plugged in. And there we go. So I'm just going to quickly show you that bit lights up. If you can see that there. Does that help? Yeah, a little bit. Okay, so it's already installed. So let's open it. So you've got installer, registration. So you've already got some stuff in there. Let's go into computer. And into computer, Zoom is not available apparently, so bear with me. Right. But as you can see, it's a FreeAgent drive. It's only fully installed in a couple of minutes. So yeah, that pretty much sums up the unboxing of this Seagate FreeAgent portable drive. So thanks for watching. Remember, subscribe for more videos, and thanks to Area PC for supplying this with me around for the competition really, and yay, I won. So thanks for watching and goodbye.